Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore debt refinancing with Rocket Mortgage, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Rocket Mortgage website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account to access the refinancing section. Select the option for debt refinancing. Gather all necessary financial documents, including income statements and current debt information. Enter your personal and financial details as prompted. Indicate the type and amount of debt you wish to refinance. Review the estimated rates and loan options provided to you. Consider any additional fees associated with the refinancing process. Choose a loan option that best suits your financial goals. Proceed to fill out the formal application. Upload any required documents as you complete the application. Submit the application for review. Monitor the status of your application through your Rocket Mortgage account. If approved, review the closing documents carefully before agreeing. Sign the necessary documents to finalize the refinancing process. Make sure to understand the new loan terms and adjust your budget accordingly. Set reminders for upcoming payments to ensure you remain on track. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.